Hey everyone, so if Gmail is not sending or receiving emails and showing storage full, yeah, that means your Google storage is completely used up. I'll show you step by step how to fix Gmail storage full problem. First, check your Google account storage and see how much space is used across Gmail, Drive, and Photos. Next, delete large emails using search filters and remove unnecessary messages. Now empty your trash folder because deleted emails still take space. Also clear your spam folder to free up more storage. Next, open Google Drive and delete large or unused files. If you use Google Photos, delete unwanted media or compress storage. You can also use the Google One Cleanup tool to find large files automatically. And if needed, you can upgrade your storage plan. And that's it. Now you know how to fix Gmail storage, full problem, and free up space.